Welcome to part 2 of the tutorial on how to complete and submit the IT12EI return for approved exempt institutions. In the previous video, we demonstrated how to log into SARS eFiling. In this session, we will explain the process for requesting the tax return. After logging in, ensure that the correct portfolio and taxpayer are selected from the list. If you have not yet added the taxpayer or set up your portfolio, please visit our SARS YouTube channel. There, you can find instructional videos on how to add a new portfolio and how to include a taxpayer to your existing e-filing profile. Click on Returns at the top, then Returns Issued on the left menu. Below Returns Issued, click on Income Tax ITR 14 or ITR 12T or IT12EI. Return search screen will be displayed. Select IT12EI return for exempt institution. To request a return, click on the drop-down box that indicates the year and select the appropriate year. Click the Request Return button to continue. If the return is overdue, the due date field will have the following message highlighted in red. Your return is overdue. Please submit urgently. Click the open hyperlink to be redirected to the income tax workpage. If an incorrect return has been displayed, click the Incorrect Return Type button to change the return from ITR 14 or ITR 12T to IT12EI. Ensure that the new return type is indicated as IT12EI and click Continue to proceed. The return type on the workpage will be updated to IT12EI. Click the hyperlink IT12EI to open the return. Terms of completing the IT12EI return will be displayed. Click OK to continue. After accepting the terms of completing the form, the following information will be displayed. SARS must be informed in writing within 21 business days of any change in registered particulars. Example: representative taxpayer, name change, address and banking details. Please refer to How to complete the registration amendments and verification form Rev 01, external guide on the SARS website for more information regarding this functionality on how to update legal entity details. If you select Yes, the return will open automatically with the pre-populated details of the organization. Complete the particulars of the organization. And that concludes part 2 of the tutorial on how to complete and submit the IT12EI return for approved exempt institutions. Stay tuned for part 3. SARS at your service.